What is up? Welcome back to another video. The day has finally come. I've been telling you guys that I got a big surprise for you. Well, it's here. Had it for a little while now. The fan in it was can't get my seatbelt on, damn it. Fan in it was a little messed up, so we had to get a new fan so that it doesn't overheat. I had to run it to a 6 switch right here, bang. So she works now, and finally get to make this video. It's 2004 2500 Dodge Cummins 24 valve, black, original paint, single cab, long bed. Got the 12 wides on her right now. She's real dirty. It's been raining and shit the past couple days, so I haven't had time to wash it. It is bone stock except for straight pipe. It's 4-inch straight pipe all the way back. She's got a couple little dings and stuff. Some fender flares. I don't really like them, but there's a little bit of rust under there, so I'm fine with them for now. Not sure what size tip. I want to say it's a 7 or 8-inch tip. It's pretty gnarly. The dude that had it before painted it. Not sure how well you'll be able to tell, but that doesn't rub off. It's a little hot, but it's pretty sick. I dig it. It's really loud. In the cab, super loud when you're driving. You got a little bit of vibration from the exhaust pipe, but you know, it's cool. I'm alright with it. I'm always down for the loudness of the truck. Tires are looking good, except for the fact that the other day I hit a curb pretty hard. Not sure how well you can see it, but the whole outside right here got all scratched up. Not too excited about that. I'm gonna try to touch it up with some paint, but she got a little poke, even with the fender flares. Looking good. The headlights need to be redone. They're starting to flake off a bit right here. They don't look the best. Whoever had them before 3M taped these plastic tinted covers, which, I mean, it looked pretty mean, but the headlights did not work at all. The video doesn't really do it justice, but they look pretty bad. So I might buy the kit, sand them down, try to get them looking nice. A couple little nicks here in the hood. No big deal. I'm over it. She looks mean as hell. Obviously got the tow mirrors, but you know, I'm not like Justin Fio. Shout out. I don't ride with them out. They do come out though. See if I can get them out. Oh yeah. Pretty damn wide. Thing is sick. The only thing that stinks is it's a single cab, so there's not a whole ton of room. I got all my stuff in here. All my fishing stuff's behind the seat. I got a pole there, a pole there. I think there's still a pole in the back here somewhere. Yep, there it is. I put a new toolbox in from Tractor Supply. Got the Jeg sticker up there. Supplying all my parts and whatnot. She's pretty mean, a little dirty on the inside. Like I said, I haven't gotten to wash it. It's got, let's see if I can get this. It's got 160, oh, of course it went away now. Nope, can't get it. It's got about 160,000 miles on it. Just broken in, you know. These Dodge owners like to run them high mileage. 12 valve is still running, trust me, I'm not getting rid of that thing. That's staying forever until that thing runs into the ground. Oh, can't see that. Oh, getting frisky for the camera. What's up, Cleo? What's up?
I'm recording.
Maybe.
Don't put it in.
Kathleen's peeing. That's gonna do it for the video, people. Thanks for watching. Make sure you drop a like, hit the subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. Peace out. We're going to get Chinese buffet.
Say bye, Cleo. Cleo? Say bye. Say bye. Make sure you like this video.
Well said, Cleo.
Well said.